What's up YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimmy, and obviously whenever I'm in this setting, you guys know we have an Oner Active drop. This is the Always in Oner Capsule dropping on Tuesday, June 17 at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I feel like myself again, and it feels so nice. Before this video is even posted, I took almost a week off from posting on specifically Instagram, and it has been so refreshing taking a mental break. I was experiencing very bad burnout. I feel like I still have burnout, but I feel a lot more like myself, which feels nice. And I'm actually excited to talk to a camera and pick up a camera. Like, I literally could not create content. I was having a mental creative block. I didn't want to pick up a camera. I didn't want to fucking edit. Like, it was just, I was just losing my mind. Guys, I was literally losing my mind. But I feel like myself today. If you guys can't notice, I don't know. I just feel really good. Also, I drink coffee, which could explain the energy as well. And this is the drop. I'm wearing the moss brown. We also have chalk pink. I know I got pink again. Like, who the fuck am I? Who the fuck am I getting pink? Like, I am shifting into a different person, and this is why I've been struggling. Like, I don't know who the fuck I am anymore, and I'm changing. We also have soft black. I tried my best to get everything that's dropping. The only item that I'm missing is the skort, and I'm so mad, but best believe I will be fighting. I will be fighting for that skort the second that it drops. I want it so bad, so bad. Put a little picture of what the skort looks like on the screen, just to give you guys a little idea of how it looks like. It's a skirt with shorts underneath, a short lining, which is so nice. And it's 6 inches in length. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put my measurements on the screen for you guys. I gotta rush through this thing because I have an appointment at 12, and like, I was like, you know what, like maybe I can finish it before my appointment, since there's not that many items dropping. But you know what, let's just get right into it because I'm just yapping at this point. All right. Ooh, I feel so weird talking to you guys with these socks on. Does it look weird? Should I take them off? Nah, fuck it. This is the first outfit. For the top, I'm wearing the soft motion sports bra. It's coming in chalk pink and Miss Moss brown. This is what the bra looks like. You get a nice medium coverage with a nice scoop in the front. It comes with removable padding, and there's no visible waistband. And then in the back, you have a nice razorback design with Oner embroidered into the bra. This bra has like light medium support. I actually really like this bra. I feel like it's growing on me. When I first got it, I didn't really know how to feel about it when it first dropped. I was just like, I don't know. But now it's slowly growing on me, and I noticed I tend to wear it a lot, especially if I want to wear it underneath a shirt. I gravitate towards this bra a lot more than usual, and I'm starting to really like it because soft motion is such a naked like fabric. It's just comfy. It's so comfy. It's so stretchy. It's very, very naked like. I really, really like the sports bra, and I feel like they adjusted the straps because when they first dropped it, the straps were kind of tight on my traps, but now I feel like it sits really comfortably. Even with the previous drop, when they dropped this in other colors, it felt like it sat more comfortable on my traps than it did when it first dropped. So that's something that I do really like. It's something that I did notice. As far as sizing, I am a size small. I'm a 34B, and I recommend just sticking to your true size. My true size fits absolutely perfect. I wouldn't size up. I feel like it would be a little too loose, especially since, you know, I don't have girls. So my true size fits best. If you have bigger boobs, then maybe size up so that this isn't pulling on your traps. But if you have itty bitty titty committee like me, then I recommend just sticking to your true size. Now let's talk about these brand new bottoms. The second that Chrissy teased this and they showed us this in a meeting, I was like, yeah, when is that gonna drop? I can't wait any longer. These are the soft motion fold over shorts. It's coming in chalk pink, Miss Moss brown, and it's also coming in soft black. This is what the shorts look like. It comes with this fold over design. You can pull it down if you want it a little bit more low rise. You can also pull it up even higher for more high rise. So you can definitely customize it to your liking. And then there's no front seam. And then in the back, I have Oner embroidered into the shorts as well. I've been waiting for this to drop. I wasn't planning to get in the shorts, but I kind of wanted to try in the shorts because I saw the girl in the model that wore this in the shorts, and I was like, you know what? let me just try it. Let me just try it. So honestly, yeah, I personally like the fold over to be a little bit more wrinkled, not like super clean and like sleek. I mean, it looks cute. Actually, you know what? That actually looks cute as well. I like both ways. I like it when it's sleek like this, or kind of like bunched up. I don't know what it is. It kind of gives like old school style. I like how it looks like that as well, like bunched up. It's so cute. Keep in mind, the fold over bottoms aren't for training. They're more for like everyday lifestyle outside of the gym. So just keep that in mind, because I know some of the girls were saying that this moves a lot when they're training, but Chrissy designed this to be for outside of the gym, for whenever you're doing anything else, like going to a coffee shop, going on a hot girl walk, or running errands, like something like that. So just keep that in mind, that this isn't really for training. You can train in it if you want to, but this will probably move a lot while you're training. And they are very, very stretchy. Again, soft motion is the most naked fabric from Oner Active. It's buttery soft, it's naked, it's comfortable. You can wear it literally all day. I love soft motion, and it's really growing on me. I gravitate towards soft motion a lot more now, and I just love how comfortable soft motion is. And as far as squat proofness, if you end up wanting to squat in these shorts, soft motion is one of the most squat proof fabrics from Oner Active, which is amazing considering that it is a very lightweight and naked and breathable fabric. You would think it would be sheer, but this is more squat proof than effortless. So keep that in mind as well. Sizing, I would highly recommend sticking to your true size. I'm wearing a size small. I've tried extra small in soft motion before. I didn't really like how it fits. It made the torso a little too short for my preference. So I prefer just to stick to my true size. And when you stick to your true size, it will be more squat proof because there is more fabric compared to when you size down. Next item, we have the soft motion scoop back bralette. It's coming in chalk pink and moss brown. So this is what the bra looks like. You have a nice scoop design for the neckline. For the bottom of the bra, you can kind of see this cute scoop design. It does come with removable padding. In the back, it comes with a nice scoop back design, and you have Oner embroidered into the back as well. Now you can wear this bra how it's normally supposed to be worn, or you can twist one side and have a cute twist design in the front. It'll also be twist in the back as well. So this bra is definitely on the more low impact support sports bra. So I would keep this for any lightweight movements, like maybe training upper body, or doing Pilates or yoga, something very lightweight, nothing too intense like running and all that. This won't give you the support that you need. I really love how it has minimal coverage. I feel like this is really good, itty bitty titty committee friendly, like your girl. I really like how this looks, and I feel like it's very, very flattering. And I do gravitate towards this bra a lot more as well. I feel like I just gravitate towards more soft motion in general. It's just so comfy. It's so comfy. I can literally wear it all day. Now for my girls that have bigger girls than I do, keep in mind this doesn't have much coverage, so you might get some spillage and might not give you the support that you need. I would recommend the previous bra that I showed you. I feel like that one would give you more support because it does have more coverage. And for sizing, I'm wearing a size small, and I highly recommend sticking to your true size. Next item, what is it? Like, what is it with this fucking pink, man? Like, I never thought I would see the day that I would actually like pink, and it's starting to grow on me. It's starting to grow on me. I think I'm heading into like my girly era, and it's a trip, bitch. It's a full-on trip. Okay, but this is the soft motion jacket. It's coming in chalk pink, and it's also coming in moss brown. This is what the jacket looks like. It comes with a full zipper, and on the zipper you have the Oner Active logo, which is really nice. I love how they have that detail. You also get 2 zipper pockets, one on each side, and it also comes with some thumb holes. Your girl loves her thumb holes. And then in the back, super simple, you do have Oner embroidered at the top. I love this jacket. I personally love fitted jackets. I feel like it just gives body, like it just gives body. It just feels very athletic. Like, I love me a fitted jacket. I think my favorite fitted jacket out of all the jackets that Oner Active has is soft motion, just because it's not overly suffocating. Like, I know unified can be very tight and compressive, but soft motion is very like buttery, stretchy. It just lays on the body. Like, this doesn't really have compression. Yes, it's fitted, but it's not overly compressive like unified. Unified is definitely a lot tighter than this, and this is just comfortable. I wear this all the time. I have so many fucking colors. Every time it drops in new colors, I'm always copying it. I am always copying it. I think I have like almost, maybe close to 10. I actually don't know, but I do have a few and I cycle through them every single fucking week and I love it. Keep in mind, soft motion isn't sweat proof. I forgot to mention that. Soft motion isn't sweat proof, so it does show sweat. If that's something that you do not like, then I don't recommend soft motion for you. But if you don't care, like your girl, then soft motion is perfectly for you. I love this jacket. I wear it all the time. I wear it when I'm hiking. I wear it when I'm training. I wear it when I'm doing my hot girl walks, when I'm running errands and all that. It's just a go-to. Now for sizing, I'm wearing a size small and it fits absolutely perfectly, even with my big arms. Typically, when it comes to fitted long tops, I always have to size up to a medium because of my arms, but soft motion is so stretchy and naked-like that I don't even need to size up, and the size small fits perfect, absolutely perfect. Last freaking outfit. This eats the fuck down, bitch. This eats so good. I fucking love it. You're joking. You're joking. Look at the fucking back. Yeah. Yeah. Oh fuck. I think Moss Brown would eat down too, huh? Imagine the pink. The pink would probably be too much. Would it be too much? I don't fucking know. I do want the pink in this though. Okay, let me stop getting sidetracked. Let me stop. Okay, so for the top, I have the soft motion mid halter vest. It's coming in chalk pink, moss brown, soft black, and white. This is what the top looks like. It's a nice halter neck design. It has a V neckline. It sits at a mid length and it does come with a built-in shelf bra, which I absolutely love. And in the back, since it's a halter neck design, you get a nice open back and you have Oner embroidered into the back as well. I love this. I fucking love this. I need every single color. Best believe, bitch, I will be waiting. I'll be waiting like the rest of y'all for this drop, and I'll be fighting for every single color in this. Yes, ma'am. Because you can wear it with jeans too. You can wear it like casually. It'll look so cute, and it's gonna be perfect for summer. I get so hot so easily. I can't stand. I literally can't stand like wearing anything anymore. Like it's gonna get too hot, and I get really hot even when it's like June gloom. I'm still sweating out this hole when I'm walking the kids. Like, oh my God. So I want every color and it's gonna be perfect. And that pink is gonna look so good. I'm excited for that pink. Yeah, those words just came out of my mouth. So it is very, very stretchy. Now, Oner Active is known for having very tight straps, especially when it comes to halter tops. It's always very, very tight. Surprisingly, this isn't too tight for me. I know one of the athletes said that it was still too tight for them, so keep that in mind that this halter still might be tight, but it's definitely not as tight as the mellow rib halter neck tops that they dropped. That one was just like yanking on my traps. It gives me a headache. Like that's really tight, but this fits really comfortable for my preference. Like I don't notice it being too tight. I can see how it can be a little bit tight for some people, so do keep that in mind. If you have very sensitive traps, this top might not be for you. And I love this. I just love this so much. I think obviously you can probably tell that this is definitely my favorite item that's dropping. Now, as far as sizing, I am wearing a size small and it fits absolutely perfectly. I would recommend getting your true size. I wouldn't recommend sizing up for more room here just because there will probably be too much fabric in this area and there's gonna be like a lot of bunching, especially if you don't have bigger girls like me. There would definitely be too much room. I feel like it would be way too loose if I sized up to a medium. So if you have smaller girls, highly recommend just sticking to your true size. If you have bigger girls, you have potential to size up in this, and hopefully the strap will feel a lot looser for your traps as well. Last item of the day, we have the soft motion fold over straight legs, and it's coming in chalk pink, moss brown, and soft black. This is what the bottoms look like. It's pretty much a long straight version of the shorts. You do get the fold over design, so you can wear it low rise, you can wear it a little bit more high rise. You can definitely customize it to your liking. There's no front seam, and then in the back, same details as the shorts. You have Oner embroidered into the back as well. Again, this is the straight leg design, so it's nice and flowy. It's not fitted whatsoever. I love these. The straight legs always sell out so fast. Like, everyone is angry. We hear you. My girl, trust me, I like, we're fighting. Like, the athletes are trying to fight for the straight legs as well. Like, we're all waiting at drop time to shop for more straight legs, so we get it. I love these. They're just perfect for every day. I wear them all the time. I notice I'm starting to gravitate towards the straight legs a lot more than usual. Like, I love to wear them every single day, just very comfy around the house. Like, this is like my work outfit and it's so freaking comfy. For our sizing, I am wearing a size small, and I would highly recommend sticking to your true size. I've tried to size it down before, and I personally did not like it because it made this area short. So it kind of made the torso a little too short for my preference. I also didn't like how it made the crotch area look like. So I'm wearing a size small, and I would recommend sticking to your true size. All right, that's everything. Let's talk about top picks. Top picks. You guys already know I love this halter. I don't give a fuck if this is a little too tight. Like, I don't care. Like, I love this. Now, if you have very sensitive traps, then I wouldn't recommend this, but this is definitely a top pick for sure. I'm going to attempt, keyword attempt, like everybody else, to get every single color because I really love this. I can see myself wearing this a lot in the gym, out the gym, casually. Like, I just see myself wearing this a lot. Another pick, I love soft motion jackets. I love the soft motion jacket. I also wear that a lot as well. As far as bottoms, I love the straight legs. I think I prefer the straight legs over the shorts. That's just my preference. I feel like it looks a little bit more flattering than the shorts personally for me. So top picks would be this vest, the straight legs. I just love my straight legs, the soft motion jacket. And if I had to pick between the two bras, ooh, that's so hard because I love them both. I think I would go with the scoop back just because it is more flattering because I don't have girls. Usually minimal bras look better on me because I have no titties. So I prefer the scoop back bralette over the razorback one. And yeah, that's everything. Hopefully I narrowed it down for you. And I do have a support link, and my code KIMMY saves you 5% off your purchase. If you use my support link, I get full support. If you use my support link plus my code, I get full support. If you use just my code, I get partial support. Again, I am very grateful for everyone that chooses to support me. And if you can't shop, that is totally okay. I don't want people to feel pressured to shop when they watch my videos. I just love showing gym clothes. I love activewear, and I love reviewing things and showing things and talking about it. It's like we're trying on clothes together and shopping together, you know? I just love making these videos, and if you enjoy watching my videos, I just hope you don't feel pressured to buy anything. But again, I am always grateful for you guys supporting me in any form, like liking, commenting, sharing. If you end up using my code and shopping, I am grateful for any type of support because anything really does help me. That's everything. I literally have to go to my appointment before I am late. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.